Hello everyone, it's me Ethan Fernandez again, and this is going to be week 3 for the FRC competition time.
Cool slide transition!
This is one of our smaller 3D printers. Right now it's printing a pulley which will take approximately 7 hours each. Now over on this side is one of our larger 3D printers. Currently it's not actually printing anything.
This week in robotics, we're working on finalizing the rough CAD. Once we're done finalizing the CAD, we can start focusing on building the robot and finalizing the design. I myself am working on the feeder. It takes the ball from the intake and brings it up to the ball shooter. Here's what the prototype looks like.
So last week, we started dismantling the pieces of our 2020 game structure. Now, we are reconstructing it to practice with our 2021 robot. The original structure only had one bar, in which the robot had to hang from that bar as the bar moved because the bar was hanging. With the new structure, there are going to be 3 bars at different heights. The robot has to climb from bar to bar, and as high as it goes, higher means more points.
That's it for week 3. Make sure to follow us on our socials for more information about our projects, and see you next time.